What is biogas? Biogas is a renewable energy source created through the anaerobic digestion of organic materials like agricultural waste and food scraps. This process produces a gas mixture primarily composed of methane and carbon dioxide, offering a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. Anaerobic digestion involves breaking down organic matter in an oxygen-free environment. This multi-step process includes hydrolysis, acidogenesis, acetogenesis, and methanogenesis, where microorganisms convert organic materials into methane and carbon dioxide. This occurs in controlled anaerobic digesters, optimizing microbial activity. Various anaerobic digesters cater to different needs. Mesophilic digesters operate at moderate temperatures, while thermophilic digesters work at higher temperatures for faster digestion. Plug-flow digesters handle high solids feedstocks, and continuous stirred tank reactors, CSTRs, mix liquid or slurry feedstocks. Methane, the main component of biogas, is sustainably produced from organic waste. Biogas can be converted into electricity using a generator, and heat that is delivered to homes and businesses through combined heat and power (CHP) systems, achieving up to 80% efficiency. This dual utilization maximizes the useful energy output from biogas. Biogas offers numerous benefits. It's a renewable energy source, reduces waste, and can be carbon neutral. It enhances energy independence and provides nutrient-rich digestate for agriculture. Biogas projects create economic opportunities, supporting jobs and generating revenue through energy sales and waste management.